Have you tried a potato taco bowl? If not, this is your sign. My name is Nija. I'm a registered dietitian. You're going to want to add this to meal prep. So I saw a couple of videos going around. I was like, I have to try this. So I took one bag of mini potatoes and cut each potato in half. These are red and white potatoes from Aldi. I added some avocado oil, my normal seasonings. But the goal of this is I really want the potatoes to kind of have a smoky taco taste. So the two things I added to do that was I added some smoked paprika. That is from Trader Joe's. And then I added this Southwest chipotle seasoning from salt-free from Target. Now, I would have added cayenne pepper, but the baby has been giving me some heartburn, so I did not. But if you like spice, add some cayenne pepper. Mix that in, and I put it in my air fryer on 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Y'all, was perfect. It's like a crispy plus soft texture that you want. I just took some ground turkey, added taco seasoning, nothing special. And this is how I layered my bowl. I did 1/4 cup of potatoes, then 1 scoop of the ground turkey. I added some nacho cheese. You can do low-fat cheese. I did not. I made some homemade guac, which is so good. Homemade pico and some salsa. Y'all, I forgot the lettuce. I meant to put lettuce, but I forgot. This was so good. Even my hubby, he's a Tex-Mex fan. He was like, yeah, we're adding this to the rotation. Like, comment, and share, and let me know what you think.